In a world where flagship features come at flagship prices, the Galaxy S25 FE makes a bold promise: all the premium, none of the premium cost. Let's start with what you see first. The S25 FE 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED to X display is vibrant, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, delivering silky smooth animation and scrolling. And when you're out in bright sunlight, it doesn't hide its peak brightness reaches around 1900 nits. The build is premium too: armor aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and IP68 rating. Slimmer at approximately 7.4 mm, yet durable. Under the hood, the Exynos 2400 chip built on 4 nanometers process powers the S25 FE. It brings efficient performance, improved AI processing, and better heat management thanks to a vapor chamber that's over 10% larger than earlier models. You get 8GB RAM in the standard model, and multiple storage tiers: 128 per 256, 512 GB depending on region. Enough for most users without breaking the bank. Whether you love photography or selfies, the S25 FE steps up. Triple rear camera setup, a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, an 8MP telephoto with 3 optical zoom, plus a 12MP ultra-wide. Up front, 12MP for selfies, enhanced by Samsung's ProVisual engine to reduce noise and improve clarity. But it's not just hardware, smart software makes it shine. Galaxy AI tools like generative edit, removing distractions, filling backgrounds, instant slow-mo, Gemini Live, and more make creative editing intuitive. All that performance means nothing without staying power. The S25 FE packs a 4,900 mAh battery. Coupled with efficient hardware and software, this means all-day usage, even under heavy tasks. Charging is via 45W wired fast charge. It may not be the fastest in class, but it hits a sweet spot between speed and health of battery longevity. S25 FE ships with Android 16 plus One UI 8, bringing the latest features and a more refined experience. Expect Samsung's flagship AI tools built in: multimodal assistance, context-aware suggestions, privacy features via Knox, etc. Samsung also promises 7 years of OS and security updates, which is rare in non-ultra models. That means your phone can stay relevant, secure, and useful for years to come. Launching at $649 for the base 128GB variant, the Galaxy S25 FE offers flagship capabilities without flagship prices. In many markets, that makes it one of the most attractive mid to upper mid-range phones you can buy. You get high refresh rates, strong display, serious cameras, AI tools, good battery, and long software support, all in one package. This phone is ideal for creators who want powerful photo, video tools but don't want to spend ultra-level money. Power users who want future-proofing via long OS support and good battery life. People who value display quality, sleek design, and AI features in daily life. If your priority is maxed out specs like periscope zoom, wireless charging over 15W, or best-in-class chip performance, you may consider moving up. But for most users, the S25 FE hits an exceptional balance. The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE isn't just another mid-range phone. It's a statement: you can get flagship-level experience, future-facing software, premium design, and intelligent tools without paying flagship tax. Whether you're into photography, gaming, AI, or just want a phone that keeps up with your life, this is one to seriously consider.